Hi, I'm Matt with Ballast Tools Equipment. Today we're going to be reviewing the safety topics for our Caterpillar 420 high-rail backhoe system. Make sure that all electricity is disengaged prior to performing any maintenance. These are the safety locks on the high-rail gear. Make sure that the locks are engaged in the up position as well as the down position to ensure that the high-rail gear does not drift in road travel as well as rail travel. Be sure to maintain 3 points of contact when entering and exiting the machine. Be sure to stay clear of attachments and the boom swing while the machine is in operation. Always set the parking brake when exiting the backhoe. This is the rototilt speed selector. Decrease the speed of the rototilt until you are comfortable with the attachments. Once you've become proficient with the operation of the attachments, you may increase the speed to a desired level. Make sure that all personnel is clear when uncoupling attachments from the backhoe. Be sure to use the safety locks on the loader arms when performing any maintenance on the loader bucket or the loader arms. Stay clear of the outriggers when raising and lowering them into work positions. Avoid any and all pinch points when flipping the outrigger pads over. Remove the strobe light before transporting the backhoe. The strobe light is rated for 50 miles an hour and needs to be removed before highway travel. Be sure to engage the boom lock prior to traveling with the backhoe. Be sure to install the swing lock pin prior to road traveling the backhoe. This is the extend-a-hoe lock pin. Be sure to remove the pin prior to use of the extend-a-hoe. Thanks for watching, and for more information, please check out our website. And as always, be safe out there.